Kick it.
Hey, and welcome back for another edition of StreamBreeze demonstrations. Here again, we're going to be demonstrating on the StreamBreeze Mini, and it's the smallest of all the StreamBreeze systems, and I want to show off some of the features that we have in the software that will really do some really cool things, and I think you'll enjoy this. I'm only running two cameras right now, camera 1 and camera 2. Just keeping this really simple just to show off some features. So one of the really other cool features is that we have, in our software, we have basically two camera modules. And this allows us to deal with different types of devices that plug into the system. Right now I'm running the camera 2 module on both of these inputs. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to right click and I'm going to change my display size. I'm going to take this to 50%. So this is kind of if you have the real estate on your desktop, this really comes in handy. Or if you have somebody that is working with you as far as a producer and they're calling the shots, they typically want to see a little bit bigger preview. Well, guess what? You can right click and set your preview all the way up to 100%. So if you've got the desktop space for it, well, by golly, we have the modules that will take up that space. I'm going to drop this back down to 50. Now I'll set camera 2, same thing, right click, go to 50 and put those up here. So now it's as simple as clicking back and forth. Now if I was running a touch screen, then all I have to do is reach out and just touch these individual inputs. That's right, the system is compatible with touch screens. So that even makes it a little easier to operate now, or a little quicker to operate in that instance. Because the whole idea is to work with you and try and make your productions go as smooth and quick and as easy as possible. Ease is a key. Keep the stress down. The next thing I want to show off here is the system. When somebody walks in, this comes in really handy, especially in churches and schools, or any type of live event when somebody walks in with a video at the last minute and you don't have the time to transcode it and get it into the system so that you can import that video into one of the player modules. If they give you a DVD, not a problem. You have a DVD player built into the system. So all I need to do is put the DVD in and it'll pop up and start playing. But what we're going to do here is I'm going to open up my little browser. I'm going to go into my video folder and I'm going to open up a video, and just to kind of show it here, I can stop that, kind of get it prepared, get it ready to go. And then I'm going to open up another camera module, go here to modules, add camera 1. And remember I told you earlier we have two different camera modules to keep the system really flexible and deal with different types of video sources. And the camera 1 module, we can right click on it and come down here and say capture select area. Then I can go in and draw a box right here around that video, just like so. And then on the drop down, go down here and slide down and choose screen capture, and voila. So I go over here and start this video, and then I can switch to it. And it is, as you can see, it's really easy and really, really fast. And remember, I'm capturing anything below that box I drew. And to take this one step higher, I can come over here. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to stop this just for a second. And I'm going to go up here and load another module in. Another camera 1 module. Bring that down here. And set this to screen capture as well. Now I'm going to go and select area. And since I'm running a 4:3, I'm going to run select 4:3. And I'm just going to select just the center of that video. So now I'm going to start that video back up again and switch back over to my number 3 camera here, and then go to camera 1 or 4. So I literally have two shots within a single source. And I'm just switching back and forth between them. So you can see how nice that works. Really handy. And this comes in handy not only with videos, but with websites. If you were to load up a website, for instance, the first camera could capture the entire website, and the second camera could be a zoom in on different portions of that website that you're trying to show off, or software. For software demonstrations, you could be running that software in a little portal on the side and allow you to do demonstrations that way. So just, this is just another quick tip just to show you the flexibility of the ScreenGrab system. Thanks again for tuning in and watching us. Have a great day.
Kick it.